Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to be doing a roast lamb, and we're going to make a lovely gravy to go along with this. So the lamb that I'm using today is a boneless joint, and as you can see, it has a net or a basket on it. We're going to start off by heavily seasoning this with salt, pepper, and a nice olive oil rub. Now for cooking times, please use the link below. There's a great calculator link below for all of your meats. So we've got our baking tray, and I've got a bed of celery with there some fresh rosemary, and I've just got a whole clove of garlic and thrown that on. And then we place the meat on that, and then we go to the oven. And like I say, please do check out that link in the description below. So in she goes. Okay, so we're now going to melt some butter here in a pan. We're going to add some garlic and a little bit more fresh rosemary, which we're going to pour over our lamb. So we're about 80% of the way cooked. We're going to take this out now, and really simply we're going to pour that garlic butter and that rosemary on the top and pop it back in for the remaining time. So back into the oven, and then out she comes, fully done, looking absolutely wonderful. Just remove those sprigs of rosemary, and then we need to put it on a plate, let it rest for about 20 minutes or so. What that would do is get all the moisture and all the goodness and the juices redistributed. While that's happening, let's make some beautiful gravy with the rest of those vegetables in the pan. So we're going to get our pan onto the cooker, onto the stovetop. We're going to mash down that garlic as much as we can. And to that, we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of flour. And we're going to cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes with the heat on underneath there. And that will thicken really nicely. And once that's done, in goes the stock. I'm using a chicken stock, but you could be using any stock you want. We're going to mix that around. And to this one, I'm going to add just a little touch of cream. Let's cook this for like another minute or so, and simply we're going to strain this through, and you're going to end up with an absolutely wonderful gravy. Check that out. You can discard obviously all of the rosemary, celery and garlic. Beautiful. Okay, so we've had a resting time now. So what I'm going to do first of all, as I said at the beginning, I've got a basket on my lamb, so we're going to cut the basket off, and then we're going to slice. Super juicy, super tender, absolutely wonderful. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.